This is revision 2 of the tracker. Made some adjustments to it, tightened it up. And it operates the same as the one I showed last week, where it tilts centered in the wheel. Right, it keeps a positive control of the belt all the way across the belt's tracking travel without changing the tension, because it's not raising or lowering. It's rotating around its center axis. So you can go from extreme right to extreme left in your belt tracking without the tension being affected. I'm liking it a lot so far. The metal in there so fast, iron filings when I catch on fire.